The proposed Biophilic Rehabilitation Center for Drug Addiction will be referred as HILOM. HILOM is a Tagalog term for heal. It aims to use architecture to help people heal and recover from drug addiction. Several studies have shown that a biophilic design can help individuals improve their health. Biophilic design can help reduce stress, boost creativity and mental clarity, improve our health, and speed up the healing process. The Tipolo tree will be taken into account for the project since it works best with a biophilic design and is important to the site, which is on Tipolo. The tree also gives people and animals a slew benefits. The goal of the project is to connect people with nature and nature to people. The planned development is meant to be like a Tipolo, which is a place that is good for both people and nature. The proposed rehabilitation have different design considerations in order to supply attention to the needs and well-being of not only the users but the environment as well. These considerations will be used to address the needs of its users and meet its goal, which is to produce an environment wherein architecture could be used for healing. The project would be between NCR and Calabarzon and convenient to get to from both places. The project would make the first biophilic rehab center and would examine its completed facilities' appearance, function, location within the larger community. Both rural and urban can easily get to the site. It is also close to vital places like hospitals. Additionally, the property is connected to Sumulong Highway, which is conveniently accessible. The site also has all the spaces the users would need. It has a lot of vegetation, and the project aims to lessen its impact to the environment, which is why the structures will be built on the lesser green only. The main building will consist the admin, chapel, and therapies needed for the patients. The spaces in this building are based from researches and needed spaces in a rehabilitation. The project have different facilities such as gym, yoga and meditation, and hydrotherapy. The building also has a lot of open spaces wherein users could read or relax. These spaces are considered the public spaces of the building. The private spaces, which will consist of group therapy, multifunction hall, simulation room, and psychology treatment area, will be located on the second floor. These spaces are placed on the upper floor in order to have more privacy, but at the same time accessible to other needed therapy spaces. The dormitory is divided into two areas. The first is for the female and children, while the other one is for the male. This is in consideration to the mental health of its users. Both buildings consist of the same spaces, which are meditation garden, nurse station, supervision room, utilities room, inpatient isolation rooms, and inpatient reintegration rooms. The building is designed in a way wherein users could be one in nature for their overall well-being. The rooms will be assigned depending on the status of health of users. The site would be seen as green as it could with a lot of vegetation. The site would also have its own greenhouse for its users. It will be used for the daily food and the therapy as well. The two buildings have an open space in between to have a place wherein users could all bond together. It has an adjacent chapel in order to have a place wherein users could pray and have a peaceful time with God. The site will also have outdoor activities for users. The spaces in the project aims to make users feel secure and comfortable. These spaces are the most used according to researches. Furnitures, openings, as well as paintings are considered that could help the well-being of the users. The spaces aims to bring comfort to its users.